भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्या
भूतानि यान्ति भूतेज्या
यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम्
यान्ति मद्याजिनोऽपि माम्।
व्रत शब्द संकल्पवाची. What do you mean by vrat? Vrat means your promise, your earth, that you will be doing that thing. There will be no any change in your decision. The confirmed decision. Deva vrataha darsha paurnamasadibhi karvi indradi nijama. Though what are devrata? Those who are performing dash paurn and other such tapasya, and with such actions they are doing upasana for Indra and other such demigods. इति इंद्रादि यजन संकल्पाः येते इंद्रादि देवानि यान्ति. These are known as the yajan sankalp related to that of the Indra, and therefore they are those who are doing upasana related to Indra. ये च पितृ यज्ञादिभिः पितॄन् यजामः. That we will be doing upasana of Pitri, that is called Pitri Yajna. Iti Pitri Sankalpa Ate Pitri Yanti. Those who are performing upasana related to Pitri, they will attain the Pitri Lok. Okay? Ye cha Raksha, Yaksha Raksha Pichachadini Bhutani Yama. Iti Bhuta Yajana Sankalpa Te Bhutani Yanti. And those who are able to take promise that I will be worshipping Yaksh, Raksh, Pishach and all these things, they will attain the lokas related to Bhut, Pishach. ये तो तै एव यज्ञै देव पितृ भूत शरीरकम परमात्मानं भगवन्तं वासुदेवं यामः इति माम यन्ते ते मद्याजिना माम एव यान्ति. But whereas those who are to do upasana related to demigods, Pitri and Bhut, which is the body of Paramatma itself, those who thinks that I will do upasana to Bhagavan Vasudev, yanti bhutani yanti bhutya yanti madhyajinopi ma, that I will be doing upasana of the Bhagavan Shivan Narayan, which is the main Atma of all the Devata, all the Bhut, all the Pitar, all the Pishach. If they will be doing upasana of mine, they will attain me. ये तो तै एव यज्ञ देव पितृभूत शरीरकम परमात्मानं भगवन्तं वासुदेवं यजामः इति मां यन्ते ते मद्याजिनः मामे एव यान्ति. ओके? देवादिव्रता देवादीन् प्राप्य तैः स परिमितं भोगं भुक्त्वा तेषां विनाशकाले तैः सह विनष्टा भवन्ति. It is main thing is that those who are doing upasana and those who have taken promise to do upasana related to Devni gods, then they are to attain the condition of demigods themselves. Sa parivitam bhogam bhuktva, and with that they will be benefited with limited amount of pleasure which is having a limited time period. After that, that pleasure will get destroyed. Tesha vinashakale taisa vinashta bhavanti. After the destruction of the demigods, after the destruction of the condition of the demigods and their lokas, that jivatma which has attained that loka, that will also get destruction, that will also get destroyed. मर्यादिना तुमाम अनादिनिधनम सर्वज्ञम सत्संकल्पम अनवधिकातिशया संख्येय कल्याण गुणगण महोदधिम अनवधिकातिशयानंदम प्राप्य न पुनः निवर्तन्ते इत्यर्थ. But those who are doing upasana for me, what is me? That I am freed from Adi and Ant. There is no beginning of mine. There is no last of mine. Sarvagya, I am the knower of everything. Satya Sankalp, whatever I do Sankalp, whatever I take promises, I fulfill it. Apar Nitisha Asangya, and I am the abode of innumerable, unbeatable, uncomparable qualities which are able to provide kalyana for the devotees, for the Jivatma. I am the ocean of such good qualities. I am the abode of Ananda, which is unlimited. And when they will doing upasana for me, then they will attain me and they will not return from me. Again, Madhyajinam ayam abhivishesha asti ityah. Now Bhagavan is going